weave transition for you. It changes from one hand to the other with a little bit of a tracing motion, and it happens underneath our receiving arm. So it looks like this. And on this side here. So what we're going to do is the weave comes over and down. When it's at this position, the other arm comes up. When this hoop comes down, we land here. We're aiming to get our thumb up behind our shoulder. And as we do that, our receiving hand is putting the V of our hand facing back. There's going to be a tendency to want to catch the hoop here. If you do that, you've ended up on the outside of your hoop and not in the position you need for a weave. So what we need to do is be patient, wait for that to pass our hand. We're going for the inside back of the hoop just here. It's unlikely that you're going to be able to touch it, so there's a moment of trust that has to happen where we use the momentum of this drop, there, and we release it as it comes over. We're not throwing, we're just going to open our hand like that, and the hoop's going to travel over. So we go here, release, and it's going to land in the V of this receiving hand. Do it in slow-mo. Some of the things to think about for troubleshooting is really making sure that the thumb is up against here. You want to feel it against your shoulder pointing upwards. That's when you release the hoop. The other thing you want to make sure is that the front edge of the hoop has travelled past your hand, just here, before you stick it in and make a V. So our fingers are pointing to the sky until the leading edge of the hoop comes past, and then we stick it in and wait to receive the hoop. Another thing that can happen that I noticed in class the other day when I was teaching is that if you let go with too much momentum as in you start thinking of it as a throw, it could go flying, so you could actually give it too much oomph and it's going to fly away. So it's a really gentle beat, and we have this nice tracing feeling. So as the hoop comes down, our arm swims over and we receive the hoop. My fingers are really loose on the hoop just here because I want it to get this natural momentum in the swing so that when I release, it just goes over. 1, 2, 3, and release, and release, and release. Let's do it one more time in slow-mo just so that you can get it. I hope you got it. If you liked it, please do share it. You can find me on Facebook at Hoopsparks, Instagram at DonnaSparks, and on the internet at hoopsparks.com. Happy weaving and happy hooping.